Hi there. Right, something totally different for me today. I've never done a review on anything before for YouTube or anything of that nature. I'm not riding the bike at the moment, obviously because we're in February, we've had some pretty bad weather, a lot of snow and so forth. So I just like to have a chat with people about GoPro customer service. Just try and get some feedback from other people. Do you have any good experiences, bad experiences, and in particular if you have had bad experiences, has it ever been resolved? Just to summarise very briefly, I bought on the 14th of December last year, 2020, a GoPro Hero 9 Black, just to replace a Drift 4K camera which had gone belly up on me. And I had a look on the GoPro app, on the GoPro site if you like, and I noticed that they did like a subscription service, and it basically said that you could upload your footage directly to the cloud. You could get like a replacement camera if anything, any issues with your camera and so forth. So I thought, well, okay, sounds like a reasonable idea. Had a look into it, and they offered a 14-day sort of trial period. But initially you had to register, and in doing so you had to provide your credit card details to purchase the app if you decided to go ahead with it. So that's what I've done, gone through that procedure, and then I noticed almost immediately, I think it was the following day, that GoPro had taken payment of £49.99 out of my account, even though I was in the free trial period. So I think it was the 17th of December last year, I contacted GoPro. I spoke to their customer services, which is a battle in itself, to be fair, but they confirmed that no, they shouldn't have taken any money from my account, and they said that they would initiate a refund at their end, and it could take 3 to 4 weeks, which seems excessive, but nevertheless I would be entitled to a refund and I would receive it. So they said 3 to 4 weeks. I sat patiently, I waited, and on about the 13th or 14th of January 2021, so last month, noticed I still hadn't got the refund. So I contacted GoPro, and again they've confirmed to me that something is occurring within their admin system and that they were aware that I was due a refund, but they could not give me any hard and fast definitive information as to when I would receive that credit. So that's gone on throughout the latter half of January, and we're now just slightly into February 2021, and I'm still no further forward with it. I did receive one email from GoPro which again confirmed that I was due a refund and that they shouldn't have taken it, but there's just no sign of it whatsoever. I've had a look on different forums and so forth, and Facebook pages and Facebook groups, and there seems to be a bit of a common trend with GoPro in that they are very reluctant to issue refunds, or certainly that's what it would appear. So I'm just asking really, has anybody got any similar experience? If they have, leave a comment below, let me know what the outcome was. Did you ever get a satisfactory outcome? Yeah, it's a shame really, because the cameras are pretty damn good. The picture quality is awesome, colour rendition is fantastic, certainly better than what I was using before. But in this case, I think the weak link is definitely the after-sales service from their from their own staff, their own customer service department. So please, as I said, leave a comment down below if you will. Feel free to share this video. Let's see what sort of responses we get from the GoPro community, and maybe even somebody from GoPro themselves will pick it up and have the courtesy to respond. So I'll keep you updated on any results. If you like what I've done, please subscribe, have a look at some of my other channels on the bikes and so forth, and hopefully when the weather improves I'll be producing some more travel videos. Okay, take care, see you all soon, bye.